Hi, this is the Doogee X97 Pro and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's just first open the device box. Here we got some paperwork like the warranty card and the quick start guide with the safety information, also the SIM jack tool. The next accessory, this is the protective silicone case in clear color. Okay, and also we got here the USB Type-C cable and original charger brick with all of the specifications. So that's it. There are all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.